Okay, so now we have section 4.2, question number 71. We're going to be using the quotient rule for this because it's asking for us to use the quotient rule to find the derivative of the following. So it basically tells us to use the quotient rule. So to first do the quotient rule, you need to find out what values you're going to use for f of g of x and all that other crap. So basically f is always going to be your top and g is always going to be your denominator. So the quotient rule is going to be the derivative of f times g of x minus the derivative of g times x over g squared to the whatever the frick. So that to g of x, that's basically what that means. So what we're going to go ahead and here and do is find the derivative of f. So f is 4t squared plus 11. So we're going to bring that 2 down. 2 times 4 is 8t. 8t times g, which is just t squared, plus 3. Okay? Minus, I always do brackets, that way you can sort it all out pretty better. So now we're going to take the derivative of g, which is just going to be 2t, times 4t squared plus 11, all over t squared plus 3 squared. So now we can actually go ahead and just distribute that 8t, so it's going to be 8t to the third plus 24 minus, distribute to the 2t, so it's going to be 8t to the third plus 22. Now the reason I do this in brackets is so I can show you guys step by step. So we're going to be subtracting. So basically we can go over here and distribute that negative. The negative basically just means -1. So it's going to be negative that, and then that's going to change to -22. The two 8t's cross out, so we have 24. Sorry, I forgot these t's. The reason why they're t's is because you're distributing the 8t blah blah. I would just always forget to write it. So it's going to be the 24t minus 22t, which is going to equal just 2t all over t squared plus 3 squared. And that's actually going to go ahead and be your answer using the quotient rule. If you guys have any questions, please post it down in the comments below.